In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start new thread in Perplexity AI. If you're new to the platform or just want a clean way to separate your research and questions, starting a new thread is the simplest way to keep everything organized and easy to revisit later. First, head to the Perplexity AI website or open the app. If you already have an account, sign in using your usual method. If you're brand new, take a moment to create an account so your conversations are saved and easy to access across devices. Signing in ensures your history is synced, your preferences are remembered, and you can come back to any conversation without losing context. It's also a good idea to bookmark the site or pin the app so you can get back to it quickly whenever you need it. Once you're in, you'll see your conversation space. If you've used Perplexity before, your recent threads may appear in a sidebar or list. To start fresh, look for the New button. It's typically visible near the top or along the left sidebar, and it may show as a plus icon on smaller screens. Click New to open a clean, empty chat. This is important because it keeps your ideas, sources, and follow-up questions grouped together by topic instead of mixing them into an older conversation where they can get hard to track. After you click New, you'll be placed in a blank thread with a prompt box waiting for your first question or topic. Think of this as starting a new notebook page. Anything you type here will stay linked to this particular discussion. A strong opening message helps the AI understand your intent, so be specific about what you need, any constraints, and the outcome you're aiming for. This not only leads to better answers, but it also makes your threads easier to scan later because the first message often becomes the title or the reference point for that thread. If you don't immediately see the new option, try expanding your browser window, scrolling the sidebar, or opening the main menu. On mobile, look for a floating plus icon or a new label in the navigation bar. The location can vary slightly with interface updates, but the function is always the same. That's it. Go to Perplexity AI, sign in or create an account if you haven't already, and click New to open a fresh thread. With this simple habit, your research stays organized, your topics stay focused, and finding past answers becomes a lot faster.